much. So I just open up my luggage and just go about my day. My husband likes to unpack everything. So he's in there unpacking, but I'm going to kind of give you like a quick room tour. I know sometimes they can be kind of boring, but just in case you want to see what the rooms look like. This is Virgin. And this is a balcony. And it's on the 8th floor, 8126 to be exact. So what we were kind of worried about when they told us they upgrade us to a balcony was that we would have an obstructed view. We have a slight one right here. When you look down, we have like this little white thing in here, but going out of our balcony, you can see that we have a very clear view, because usually you don't get an upgrade to a balcony unless it is an obstructed view or free at least. But on our balcony, we have our famous Virgin hammock, of course, which you will be seeing me in, just chilling with my drinks. You get these two lovely chairs, and that's my hair spritz down there that I just got. And then the balcony is, I mean, it's a good size. I can twirl all the way around. You can dance if you want to. That's probably made some of you guys very dizzy. I'm so sorry about that. Probably shouldn't have done that. But we're going to enter in through the balcony. And inside, again, my husband is unpacking. We have a nice spacious bed. We have the famous Virgin blanket right there with all the hangers on top. Virgin blankets are super comfy. And plenty of space over here. You get a table with a tray for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you order room service, it's pajama party tonight, so my husband has his pajamas out. But see, this is me. This is what I do. I just like say, screw it. I have everything organized in my luggage. These are my shirts, my cover-ups. I got my shoes over on one side, my hat. Here is all of my shorts, a couple pairs of jeans, my 80s costume, and this little luggage right here is actually more shoes, should I say. This little luggage right here is my bathing suits, my underwear, my bras, all that good stuff. So I know where everything is, so I don't ever unpack. And I try to fold pretty good, but since we are Deep Blue extras, we do get, I think, one free press in case we need to. Nice big closet. As you can see, let me get out of my husband's way and hang up his stuff. And then on this side, you have a safe. You have several drawers. You also have some drawers down here in the closet that you can put a couple of things in, like basket-wise. Over here you have your vanity. Don't mind my mess. That's all my shit pretty much everywhere. You have your fridge. And we did order a couple buckets of beer, so ours is stocked full of champagne, some cava, and some beer. We're ready to hit the road with that stuff. And then inside, the most important thing everyone likes is the small-ass bathroom. Virgin does have a small-ass bathroom, but what I like about it's got lots of shelf storage, and the shower is big. It has a little nostril that you can use for shaving. I take it to shave. It comes with their own hair wash, conditioner, and body wash as well. So you don't have to worry about bringing that shit from home. And then it has this nice over rain head. It gives you a nice good soak, and you can rinse your hair really good as well. So that was pretty much a quick room tour. Now I'm gonna chill, relax in my hammock, waiting for the sail away with the free champagne, waiting for the pajama party tonight. It's gonna be a long night, but it's gonna be a good night. Cheers, everyone. See you on the next cruise.
Feel the rhythm, let it fly. Music playing, hands up free, dancing wild, just you and me.